Okay guys, and today we're gonna to harvest this zucchini. Look at that zucchini. Look at that, so big. Oh my god, I have 3 pieces. So does look wow. Beautiful. Wow, so much. This is beautiful. The joy of gardening is when you see everything is growing well and then you get harvested. That is, and this is organic from the seed. So wow, guys, I'm happy to the moon. To the moon. And this side also. And here more, guys. Wow. Gonna take this one, the big one. It's so easy, eh? Wow. And also this one. Beautiful. And the flowers you can fry it actually with the flour. Fried it is nice. So happy. So guys, we have so happy with the harvest today, and I'm gonna to pluck some mince here because this one I used put it in the drain, and also for the zucchini noodles you add this one at the last of the cooking. Smells so good. So and the rest is just waiting. We're gonna to pluck the raspberry. Yeah, here, come a cake raspberry. So every day you pluck it. Yesterday was a lot. Yeah, now it's not much because yesterday you plucked so much. Ow! Scratch of my. So, just few. Ay. Okay, it's time to transfer my beans. This is French bean. How you say it? Buncis in Indonesia. Call it buncis. So guys, we're gonna to plant the zucchini the same way how I plant the beans, the French beans. Guys, the zucchini, wow, does look good. Looks so big. And here the bunches, the beans. Look, wow, super. The other side also, they are a lot, guys. Look. And here, look. Wow! Banyak amat. Is true, huh? In the ladder.
later ya. Ini lagi pakai.
Wow.
Ik lagi nih pakai.
Okay, moet plukken zo dan. Kan je dat zelf doen? Zo.
Nih.
We're gonna harvest it because this already big, ya, Andy. Harvest time.
Nih.
Oh, so beautiful, ah. Deze toch niet? Oh, daar. Oh ja.
Ja, on.
Waar? Ah, I love. Guys, that is for today, and I have only little, but it's so happy for the result. And see you next time. Bye. So guys, and this one is also from the garden. So beautiful.
De vliegen.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Dat heb ik
Bye.